It is time on KFOR for one of our weekly visits with our My Home Improvement specialists. You can learn more about these experts on our website when you go to KFOR1240.com. For example, if you need some help around the house or the business with an air conditioner that's not working quite like you want it to work, or maybe a furnace, it's National Furnace and Air Conditioning to the rescue. And here's the general manager of National Furnace and Air Conditioning, Jeff. Hello, Jeff.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Fantastic. Well, let's talk about some furnace and air conditioning issues. Actually, I suppose this time of the year, Jeff, it'd be more air conditioning issues than furnace. But you guys keeping up with work?
Yeah, it's been a pretty darn busy year with the heat and everything.
Tell me you work beyond 8 to 5. You give us evening hours and weekend, too?
Yes.
You have to, really, don't you?
Yeah, we're 24 hours, 7 days a week. So it's, we're there when you need us.
Well, and you don't usually think about repairing your air conditioner in December or January, February. It's when it's being used the most, and they're really getting overworked this time of year.
Yes, they are.
Would you say if somebody did not have their air conditioning checked at the start of the season, is it, Jeff, as it's human nature that I guess when everything's working right, we have a tendency not to do anything preventive along the way. Is there a benefit to doing that?
There absolutely is. We can get in and clean all the parts out and everything, and it just makes the system run more efficient. And the really hot days like we've had for most of this summer, it'll cool way better and keep your house a lot more comfortable.
And when you come out, what do you do then if you're just doing some maintenance?
We change filters. We check all the major components, make sure the compressor's working like it should, make sure the Freon levels are adequate. We get the coils all nice and clean, and that's where you really gain the efficiency, just by us cleaning the coils. Just make sure everything's running, tip-top shape, so you're good for the heat of the summer.
When you talk about cleaning the coils, Jeff, you talking about inside the house or out there on the unit outside?
Mainly outside. Inside we'll definitely look to see if they need to be cleaned. Generally it's the outside that gets, we get a lot of cotton around here, so that cotton builds up, and when that happens, it can't cool like it should.
And you really have to be careful on those outdoor fins. They're so fragile. You need an expert to do it right, or the homeowner can really cause some damage.
Yeah, we've all seen the little dings and dents, from baseballs and hail damage, and yeah, they are pretty fragile. You got to be real careful.
And if indeed it turns out somebody's air conditioner is just kaput, you can help them with that too.
Absolutely. We do sell some high efficient train systems, and definitely get those cooling bills a lot lower than what they have been.
If somebody would like to get a hold of you today, Jeff, over at National Heating and Air Conditioning, how would they do so?
The best way is by our phone, which is 402-436-3492. Or you can visit our website at nationalfurnace.net.
And we also have you prominently displayed, Jeff, on our website at KFOR1240.com under the page of My Home Improvement Experts. And thank you for being one of our experts.
All right, thanks for having me.
Jeff Kalupka, thanks for joining us on the KFOR Morning Show.